Welcome to this exploration of maritime navigation using paper nautical charts. The navigator carefully examines the nautical chart. With the aid of a nautical triangle, he determines the latitude. The final latitude is 43 degrees 27.1 minutes north. Using dividers, he then measures the longitude. The final longitude is 15 degrees 22.95 minutes east. And there, we've marked the exact position of our ship. Simple yet effective. Join me next time as we continue our journey through the timeless art of using paper nautical charts. Until then, safe travels and fair winds.